Disrupted sleep could be telling your body to hold on to fat. Get restful sleep and burn more calories with these expert tips. While the idea might sound really far-fetched, there is actually a growing area of research finding that it is possible to lose weight during the sleep. Modern life is interrupting the natural circadian rhythm the human body usually follows. So here are the 12 ways to lose weight while sleeping. So here we go and jump onto the video. The first step to optimizing your sleep for weight loss is to get enough of it. Research said that the sleep in and off it can helps to aid weight loss. Sleep is necessary for the human body, hormone and immune system function. A sleep deprived or sleepy brain is a hungrier brain. Poor sleep leads to weight gain. Cardio is great and there is a lot of good reasons it should be a part of an overall fitness plan. But strength training should be too, especially for anyone who wants to take the advantages of weight loss. This is because strength training continues burn calories after the session is over. A stop at the gym after work or even a simple strength workout can keep the body in calorie burning mode all night long, every after bedtime. Don't you have access to gym or dumbbell? Anyone can use their own body weight to get strength and training. Do 10 squats before your bed, followed by a whole plank for 30 seconds. Or try walking around your house one lunge at a time and then doing modified push-ups on the knees for 5 minutes before hitting the day. You don't have to give up your daily walk in favor of strength training. Simply pick up a pair of 1 to 3 pounds of dumbbell or strap on a pair of ankle weight to turn your walking to a strength training and cardio session in one. Strength training is so important to building muscle and burning fat, squeezing a weight into a workout. Certain yoga poses help to claim and lose the mind of anxiety and tension. Try sitting upright in the bed with the legs stretched out in front, then hinging forward at the hip. Feel a stretch in the back of the leg. Feel a melting towards the leg and flex the feet. Perform this before the bed to help calm down the nervous system and promote better sleep quality. To lose weight during sleep, try getting rid of that night light. Researchers suggest that light before bedtime can suppress melatonin, and sleeping with a light on appear to affect the circadian regulation of metabolism, increase the risk of weight gain. Our body runs on a circadian rhythm, which is 24-hour schedule. Our body used to help us to function. Mealtime have a lot of influence in our circadian rhythm, so scheduling our food is very important for our health. There is an old saying, eating breakfast like a king, lunch like a lord, and dinner like a pauper. There is some truth in it. Eating bigger dinner too close to bedtime will take up to your body's energy trying to digest instead of detoxing and recharging. So focus on a smaller dinner. Limiting your intake of alcohol and other substances as they cause sleep disruption. An evening cocktail may sound like it would be super relaxing, but even one alcoholic drink too close to bedtime can impede the body's ability to burn calories. Feeding the body protein every few hours helps to stabilize blood sugar level and this speed up the metabolism. Protein is for building muscle and it will help you to prevent overheating and the urge to graze on processing food full of empty calories that can inhibit weight loss. To lose weight overnight All the blue light devices like laptop, tablet or smartphone need to go. Nighttime exposure to the blue light, they all emit disrupt the production of melatonin that body needs to promote sleep. Blue light exposure at night increase hunger and insulin resistance. Going to bed earlier can help to ensure you get enough sleep. If you have a hard time falling or staying asleep, keep the room cool, dark, and free of electronics. By going to bed early, you will ensure that your body has enough time to sleep and fall into your body's circadian rhythm.